Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right away. Make sure you have admin rights and an internet connection to get an emoji font. Once done, download an emoji-capable font such as Sego UI Emoji or Noto Color Emoji and install it. Now open Run with Windows plus R, type CharMap and press Enter to launch Character Map. This gives you immediate access to special characters. Make sure Character Map is running as you proceed, because you'll need it to view and copy emoji glyphs into applications that accept pasted characters. Once Character Map appears, change the font drop-down to the emoji-capable font you installed. This is why you installed it. Then, scroll or search within Character Map for the emoji-like glyph you want. Use the advanced view and search by name or code point when available. Click the character to highlight it, choose Select, and then click Copy. Next, paste into Notepad or your target application to confirm the emoji shows up. If it looks off, continue to the next step for compatibility fixes. You finish by pasting the copied emoji into your desired app and saving or sending the message. If the character appears as an empty box or a generic square, make sure the app supports the installed font and that you installed the emoji font system-wide. Reinstall with admin rights if needed. If problems persist, update the application or copy emoji from a reputable web emoji picker as a backup. Finally, remember compatibility varies by program. Using a graphic or image emoji.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.